gentlemen. And what do we got here, ladies and gentlemen? This is Nonna Pina's Sicilian Cucina show. Nonna Pina, what is this?
Alivi.
Alivi. So these are black olives that are vacuum packed from Morocco. Okay, and what we're going to do on this episode is show you how to prepare, marinate, and jar black olives. So when you go to the superstore or the supermarket, there's a process involved. If you were to eat these right now, they're extremely bitter and salty. So Nonna Pina is going to show us what she does. And this is a 2-3 day process. So Nonna Pina, what are you going to do to prepare these for the marinade and to be jarred?
Open the bag.
Well, that's a really good first step. Okay. Yeah, these are uneditable right now.
Yeah.
Okay, and now what?
Put the water, cold water.
Okay, let's see.
After the wash it.
Okay, so you're going to put cold water?
2 times a day.
For how many days?
2 or 3 days.
Okay, so let's see what you're going to do first here. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, Nonna Pina, it's been 3 days now, 3 days, and what we did was for 3 days, we filled the olive oil in this container here with water all the way to the top, and we changed the water and washed the olives 3 times a day for 3 days. Then what Nonna Pina did was she dried the olives, let them dry, so no water is on the olives. So Nonna Pina, now you're going to marinate the olives and you're going to jar the olives. So what we have here is hot chili flakes, parsley, oregano, and finely chopped garlic with some olive oil. Nonna Pina, let's see what you're going to do here. Go ahead.
Bye.
Okay.